Hi all, in this video I want to show you how to make the veggie burgers. They are so tasty and also with all vegetables and the proteins. So these are the veggie patties, plant based one. We have 10 to 12 grams of protein for each patty. We have to fry them in the oil, little bit of oil, and after that place a cheese slice and microwave it for 10 seconds. And we need to chop the vegetables like tomato, and I'm spreading the Chick-fil-A sauce on the patties on top of the cheese. I am also frying the burgers with the butter. So little bit of frying both sides. So now it is layering one by one. Take the base and cheese patties and layer the veggies like tomatoes, lettuce, onions, whatever you want it, and then sprinkle the salt on top of it and add the mayonnaise. Now place the burger bread on top of it and the burger is ready. This is so tasty.